So today we're going to learn how to do probability. Probability is the event of the likelihood of an event happening. So how we're going to do this is in the classroom I'm going to have stations set up with jars with buttons in them. And they're all going to be different. The buttons, there'll be different amounts, different reds, different yellows, different blues. And there'll be a worksheet at each station. And this particular worksheet says a button is selected at random from a jar containing 8 red buttons, 5 blue buttons, and 4 yellow buttons. What is the probability that? So the children are going to take the jar, dump the buttons out. Now the children are going to count all the buttons, discluding color. They're going to count every button. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So they're going to mark that there are 17 buttons altogether. Just mark it somewhere on the paper so they don't forget. There's 17 buttons all together. So the first question is that the button is red. Okay, so they're going to count all the red buttons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 buttons. You're going to come over here and write a fraction, which would be there's 8 red buttons, and who remembers the total of all the buttons was 17. So the next one is the button is not yellow. So going again, the children are going to find buttons that are not yellow. So that eliminates the yellow buttons. They'll take those away. So we remember there was 8 red buttons. If the children don't remember, they can recount them, and then they would count the blues. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 altogether. 5 blue, 8 red. So they would come over here and write 13 over 17. Now the next one would be that the button is neither red or blue. So they would take all these away. They're going to count just the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 4 over 17. Now the next one is that the button is either blue or yellow. So okay, we would count the yellow plus the blue. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So you got 9 over 17. So there would be all your answers. After that group is done with this particular jar, they would make their way to the next station, which would have a different outcome with different amounts of red, different amounts of blue, and different amounts of yellow. And I might even ask them different kinds of questions, like combining red and blue or yellow and red. And that's how the kids would do this activity. And that is my lesson on probability. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.